They just want them to bring that many masks, and they want them to bring 2 masks.
Alright. Sabi niya labas na daw siya, pero wala pa siya. Yun! Go na.
Oh, wala akong problema dyan.
So, asan na yung address, be?
Asan na yun?
Neng, nakamask ka. Hala, hindi ako nagdala ng mask.
Ay, nako.
Pero may extra ko dito. Basta naman, be.
Talagang
bagong gising yan. Mahiya-hiya ka naman, diba?
Kaya nga nag-mask ako kasi makagadoor.
Makadugyot. Be, patingin, be. Patingin yung kadugyutan natin. Oh, same. Alam na ha, 5:30 ako bukas. O mga 3:10. Mga alas 3, iuwi mo na.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Kago. So guys, galing akong work. Lalang, chenek. Nainitan ka, be. Nainitan pinagpapawisan ako kasi. Tingnan mo kasi, bro, look! Bro, ang lamig sa bahay. Talagang, inassume kong malamig din sa labas. Pero kung naka-aircon. Tapos na-realize ko naka-aircon pala kami. So, ayun. Pusong aircon. So, 15 minutes, be. Isa na. Be, baka gusto mong mag-search pa ng iba. Try mo mag-search.
Kinausap ko na sila. Sabi ko, if we get there...
And then we're there already. So,
we get there at 3:30 or a little past 3:30. Sabi nila, you guys can come here. And if you're getting a little, like, medyo maliit lang, then maybe we can squeeze you in. But if you're getting something bigger, we can consult and stuff. And then we can book you guys for an appointment. So, I guess...
We don't want an appointment. We want it now.
Be, chill. Ano kukunin mo?
I don't know. May muta pa ako. Nagluluwa yung mata ko. So guys, yeah, babalik kami mamaya.
See y'all!
We'll see if magkaroon kami ng appointment.
We'll see what happens today. Because, you know, wala lang. We're very spontaneous. So, who knows? Who knows? See you guys later!
Yung diretso pa. So, sabi mo, mas bilis ka. May bagong gising eh. Sabi nito, baliw tayo. Ito na yung kukunin namin. Wait,
I don't know if I'm actually getting it here.
yeah, it doesn't make sense. What are you? I'm kidding. Kasi meron ka na dito, no?
Wala pa.
Dito.
Wala rin.
Ikaw, bahala.
I don't know, let me just think.
Ganito talaga yung nagagawa ng walang appointment. Kalokohan namin. Yo, ang ganda pala ng mga ang dami
Alright, pretty grand possible.
So ayun guys, talagang mangyayari na talaga. So saan mo kukunin yung sayo?
Woo! Family, accept me!
Right? Hindi ka na pwede kung dito.
Yeah,
like, sure. Well, you're gonna see it anyway. Especially when you get home. Oh, you'll be like, bad influence. That was bad influence to go in.
Ano ba nag-influence?
Ikaw. Siya yun ha, ilalagay ko sa bag. Actually, kaming dalawa yun eh. Mutual feeling. So ako naman dito.
I heard masakit daw dito. Wala pa. Hindi na pa dito. I don't remember the pain anymore.
Because you were drunk.
No!
Oh! Pero talaga yung touring yun eh. Kailangan talaga natin pumunta doon at magdasal sa kasalanan na magagawa namin ngayon. Nung last na to, first pa nga lang. Last na agad. So first and last. And then next time, iba naman yung gagawin namin. First time kong magpatato with a friend. First time mo ba? Di ba may kasama ka last time? Kasama mo yung friends mo? Hindi, dito sa likod.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
See?
yeah, never mind.
I felt special for a minute. So ayun, itong kaibigan ko dito, nagpalit ng anyo. Ang plano, change of plan. So it's good thing that they're nice and he's so patient towards us kahit na late kami and then walang appointment. Nagugutom na ako, girl.
Kain tayo after.
Ano makain natin? Jollibee. I think bearable naman siya. Kasi like sobrang nipis. Matching.
Anyway, wala akong problema kung Jollibee tayo.
Wala rin akong problema.
Hindi pa mag-doon.
Kala niya nakapila tayo.
So what?
Oh no.
Oh, sorry, we're
Sorry.
not. Sorry, we're not in line.
Uy, tama na. Ang strong. Tama na. Masyado na nakakahila.
Like, gusto ko rin.
Yes.
Who's doing the yes?
Uh,
Something like that?
yes.
And then you're doing yours right there, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so the question is gonna be, who wants to go first?
Okay. Oh, you can go first, my friend.
Okay. I'm gonna go make stencils, and then I'm gonna come and get you, and we'll rock and roll, okay?
Yeah. So this is it. Yo, favorite color, bro. Kaya...
Red and blue. Wow!
Bakit blue? Be, black yan, be. Black and red.
Blue and black.
Red and... Huwag mo nasali yung black, be. Red and blue. So yeah, September 4, eh?
September 4.
Hinayaan niya ako, okay lang daw mag-video.
Really?
Yes, it's so nice. So talagang hindi labag sa loob ko yung tip. Sana all.
That way. It was very nice talking to you.
Ba sabi sa'yo, makapalaw sa camera, makapal ka sa tao. Alam mo yung ano ng asawa niya?
So, pala yung asawa
Yeah.
niya. Pangalan daw.
Pangalan nga niya nakita ko. There's heart and then infinity. What? Yo, so sweet. Napapangiti nga ako kanina.
Sabi ko, that's so sweet. Not a lot of people would do that because, you know, a lot of people would think that they're just gonna eventually be divorced or like break up with people. Here, sabi niya na, I mean,
paano yung tawa niya? Tagang makuha ka sa tingin. Go!
Okay, August
accomplishment for
August
this year. That was so-so. Anniversary natin yun, dahil. Taing-tayo na rin ako. Walmart? Yung anniversary pa nila Kuya Alan, tapos uuwi sila. Anong ginawa mo? Ito regalo mo sa akin?
ganito kasi yan. Magsasaya sila ngayon para pag uwi nila, you know, syempre, stress naman. Para balance emotions.
Sabi mo, ganun talaga Kuya. Kapag masaya ka ngayon, bukas iiyak ka. Hindi, totoo yun.
Oh my gosh, iiyak ko bukas. Iiyak ko.
Masaya ka pala ngayon?
What? Ay, naman.
So, yun!
Hindi lang ako expressive, but I... Hindi mo mag-express ako. Ganon. So this is... Kita nyo ba? Yan pala po sa kanya. That's his. And this is... Ayos mo naman. Ay, Mars ka.
Sorry.
And this is mine.
Comment for your opinions. Mas maitim kaya ito sa akin. Tsaka mas maugat yung kamay ko.
Pwede bang yung iPhone solution lang yan?
So better sa'yo.
Of course.
Mine's always better. So guys, just in case na mapaalis po ako ng bahay, anyone who's willing to give me a home,
Yeah, just comment below guys kung
Comment
sino yung
below.
pwedeng mag-ano sa kanya.
kumampon.
I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
I'll talk to you later. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're on our way to Jollibee. Kakain kami guys. If you don't know what that is, it is a Filipino fast food restaurant. And it is really good. You all should try it. It's located at Mississauga. Basically, hindi ako naka-prepare. I didn't get to shower.
Same here.
I'm wearing
I just nearly woke up. Like, look,
shirt.
look at my hair, bro. It's flying away in the
Flying
fly.
away. So guys, I'll see you when we're eating at Jollibee.
So, dito kami ngayon sa soccer field, which is near Jollibee kasi hindi pwedeng dine-in doon sa kanila. Be pedestrian tayo. Pedestrian always reckless. Huwag mo kong patakbuhin! Wala mo yung mga bata.
Ayoko ng mais na.
Ano gusto mo, daughter? So, ito guys.
Feeling good.
I can shoot.
September 4!
Flex, bro, flex!
Ganyan din.
Kahumarap mo. Sige na, adjust na, adjust.
Shake that.